Hey guys, what's up? Opening up 3 more boxes that were in those 2 pallets I bought. We got 1 box here, 1 box here, and 1 box right here. We'll start with the small boxes, see what's in them. I'll try this one first. I'll get this one out of the way. There. It looks like it's all of one thing. They're all shirt boxes. So we have a box full of boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very unexciting. Oh boy, send me one of those. So, Christmas boxes for shirts. Okay, let's see what this one has. Put a lot of tape on this one. We have EcoSafe compostable bags. Save the earth, I guess. We have a case of these. Not exciting at all. Let me see if I can see anything on the box. 35 times 50. 90 bags. Well, I don't know what they're worth. Alright, let's go for the bigger box. Let's hope there's something good in here. Nope. Alright. We have acne gel. I'm sorry, gel. Let's see what it is. Looks like it's been opened. Dry it out. It's been open and used, so that goes in the trash. No good. We have light filtering curtains. Pale House. They still have the box. I guess I returned. They don't like them. I don't see anything wrong with them though. Not too bad. Then we have a sheer curtain. Once again, looks like it's been opened, but they didn't like it and they returned it. Next one. A Mickey Mouse Christmas shirt. Pajama tops, I guess. Sarge Lodge. Made by Disney. Not too bad. Alright, we have a pair of shorts. Wow. size 40. Brand new. Seems like there's nothing wrong with them at all. Size 40. So it has the tags. Oh, wait a minute. Here are the bottoms to that Mickey pajama shirt. Large. I guess if for women, obviously. I guess, I don't know. We have a shower brush. Echo Tools. The bath brush. To get your hard to reach areas. The bath brush. Echo Tools. I almost fell on that one. Now we have a Pacific Crystal Wand secret weapon. I have no idea what that's for. Looks like it goes on your face. 100% vegan. Cruelty free. And the last thing in this box is a 3-piece ruffled quilt set. King size. Pretty nice. Still in the package, still has the tags. And a pack of batteries. Duracell. There was a lot of different stuff in this box. Crazy. Alright. Hope you liked the video. It was kind of short. Let me see if I can get this right. Hit the like button, subscribe, and check out my eBay store on the bottom of the after this plays. Alright, see you next time, guys. Thanks.